Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Sit-ups versus crunches. Which is better for core stability? When it comes to building core strength, sit-ups and crunches are two popular exercises that often come into play. Sit-ups are known for engaging a broader range of muscles, including the hip flexors and lower back, making them great for overall core endurance. On the other hand, crunches target the rectus abdominis directly, offering a more focused approach to building those coveted six-pack abs. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic. However, the effectiveness of each exercise depends largely on your fitness goals and current physical condition. Sit-ups may be better suited for those looking to develop functional core strength for activities like lifting or sports, while crunches can be more beneficial for sculpting abdominal muscles and enhancing definition. Ultimately, the choice between sit-ups and crunches should align with your specific fitness objectives and personal preferences. Integrating both into your routine can provide a well-rounded approach to core stability, helping you achieve a balanced and strong midsection. Remember, consistency and proper form are key to maximizing the benefits of these exercises. Stay tuned for more expert tips and workouts to elevate your fitness journey.